Hello everyone, I'm back with the final part for the time being of this how to make a simple junk journal, and I have a little plan for it. I reached 4,000 subscribers a little while ago. I didn't realise for quite a long time, and actually it's crept up now to nearer 4.5. And I would normally do a giveaway. So what I thought I would do with these journals is do them as a giveaway. Quite a big giveaway really, but I'm not going to just do a simple draw. I have thought long and hard about this, and I quite want to do one of the friendship type giveaways. What I would really like is for the people who have been following me for quite a long time and who regularly leave comments, I would love you to be able to be in this giveaway with a really good opportunity of winning something. And what I thought, I don't want you to do pages. I don't want to build a journal with pages. But what I would love is for people to send me a card or a tag, a homemade card, homemade tag or journal card or a collage snippet, something along those lines. And then when the time comes, I'll do a draw from the entries for all of these journals and maybe a couple more that I've got over there if there are enough entries. This is quite big for me because I kind of think people won't want to do it, but we'll see. Anyway, so you will need to contact me with, for my address. Some of you may know it, some of you may not. You can contact me through Facebook Messenger or Etsy Conversations, and I'll send you my address and you send me whatever you like. And I don't want loads of stuff either, just a tag, something simple and cheap to post. Because of the current situation and the way things have developed so far, obviously it's not an ideal time to do this, but I want to get it underway. So my plan is to leave it open until the end of June, June the 30th, and whatever's in by then, I will draw. So I'm going to quickly show you this journal. This is the finished one. I think the title of these is How to Make a Simple Junk Journal. So these are not highly decorated journals, and none of the giveaway journals will be heavily embellished. They're functional, and I hope you'll agree, quite nicely made journals. So this one is Rose Bay, and I changed up the papers that I'd originally, I'm not using Medieval Mirage, I'm using Antique Papery. So I've just done some really simple tags and journal cards for this journal, and I'm just going to whiz through it quite quick because I don't want this to be too long. I have edged some of the pages, and we've got a pocket, I think, in each signature. I've done a trim in each signature. This is where I changed up the paper, and I literally just stuck a new bit over the old bit. There's always a way to put right something. I've got flowers in the centre. Each signature has one of these tags, which is made from Mrs. Cogg's Alpine Flowers collection. I've put in some masking paper with a stamp in each signature. So there's lots and lots of writing space and lots of room, I hope, for you to decorate as you wish. Got this one. I've decorated the edge of that one. I've used Mackie stamps on these. I just felt the antique papery papers went a little better with the whole colour scheme of this journal. Bit of glue up there. I've used this paper a couple of times. Oh, and I put some buttons on these as well. I added some buttons. And I haven't got any more of this lace. I'll put another charm on the back of this one as well. But I found another bit of antique lace, and there's a little, and this is my journal maker's letter. So that's going to be the first prize. I finished up the front of this one. I did find my bit of definition under the sewing machine. I haven't decorated any of the other journals, so actually the end of June will give me time, hopefully. But as I say, they are not going to be heavily embellished. This one has got, let's just show you the end papers. This one has got those. This one I have put one of the Tim Holtz things on. And they look, you do get a little bit of ridging on these. That's because of the way they're constructed. This one gave me a fair bit of trouble, and I couldn't work out why. It kept wanting to curve at the back, and I eventually realised that I'd actually cut this paper too big. So I have put a little bit, because I had to correct that, it messed it up a little bit. So I have put some lace on the inside of that one. So this will be probably the 7th prize. If plenty of people do enter, I've got a couple of more journals here which I don't want to sell for various reasons, but I might also include these in the giveaway. I won't show you those now, but at some point I will. So that's it for this one. I'll do another series, I think, in a little while, not immediately. I just want to get back to making a few, I think, of my eclectic traveller's notebook style journals. Thank you so much for everybody that's commented on this series. I've really enjoyed doing it, and don't forget to get in touch if you want to join in the giveaway.